Do you want to learn how to make the BLT that you just can't stop eating? Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to More Earth 422. On today's episode, we are going to make a gourmet BLT with beef bacon. So now we're going to start by preparing our bacon. I have a cast iron skillet here that is preheated, and I also have our beef bacon. As the pieces of bacon become ready, we're just going to go ahead and remove them and put them on a paper towel to drain, okay? Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and prep our sourdough bread by cutting up a couple cloves of garlic and combining it with olive oil and salt. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and prep our vegetables that are gonna go on our BLT. So BLT stands for what? Bacon, lettuce, tomato. Okay. Gonna give a quick chop through it. And now for the seasonings, okay? We're gonna go ahead and take some red wine vinegar. That's what this is. Just hit it with a little bit of that. And then take olive oil and sprinkle that as well, just straight onto the cutting board. That way you don't have to dirty up a bowl or anything, okay? Then I have some oregano. So, oregano. Okay. And then I have fresh cracked pepper. And last but not least, salt. Now it's time to toast our bread. Okay, so now that we toasted our bread, we cooked our bacon, lettuce, and tomato, we're going to assemble our sandwich. So, my condiments preferred for the sandwich are mayo and mustard. Oop. And just arrange it right here. Beautiful. And now our dressed lettuce. And then now, we're gonna go ahead and add our tomato, our seasoned tomatoes. So we have the sandwich assembled and we'll be back to try. Now that we've done all that hard work, we're gonna give our BLT a try. Literally one of my favorite sandwiches. So let's see what all this hard work tastes like. You can see all the little layers in here. The bacon, the lettuce, the tomato. It's intense. Delicious. Gotta give it a try. Like, comment, subscribe, write in the comments what you would like to see next, please, and I will do my best to make it. I hope you have a lovely day, and ciao for now.